So we are studying the sounds and its features, and now we will study today the sound and its characters. So characteristics of sounds and the different characteristics of sounds is available here. We will discuss about the characteristics of sounds, and there are three characteristics, main characteristics of sound is available here. First, it's the pitch or shrillness, means that, and the first, second is loudness, and the third is quality or timbres. So quality or timbres, loudness or pitch, loudness or pitch or shrillness, these are the some characteristics in which the sometimes also we will define here. So that is a intensity of sounds and the speed of sounds. It's a relation of the speed of sound with its lights, and these are the some features. With the help of the some terms and some words, we will try to discuss here. So that, so what is the intensity, what is the pitch, what is shrillness, and different characters. So characters of sound we will discuss here. Characters of sound. Here is the characters of sound. There are three characters of sound. There are three characters of sound. First is called, first is loudness. Second is pitch or shrillness, shrillness, and the third are said to be, that is called quality, or it is called timbre. Okay, so first of all, first we will discuss about the sounds. First, taking the loudness of sounds. Loudness of sound. We will try to define this loudness. So what is the definition? So first of all, loudness, it is the measure of the sound's energy. Measure of sound energy. Sound energy. Measure of sound energy. Okay, sound energy reaching the ear per second. Okay, reaching the ear per second. Per second is called per second. So it's a set way. If the amplitude of sound is large, then amplitude of sound large, then the sound will be soft, or sound will be soft, then sound will be soft or fainted. Okay, and if the amplitude of sound is not large, small, then so amplitude of sound is small, then the sound will be very here is the soft, and the sound will be low. Okay, so here is the amplitudes, means soft and large. As large conditions we will see there, sounds will be soft or fainted, and if we are sound as amplitude is high, then the intense sound will always be sound will be loud. So amplitude large, then sound will be loud, and if the wave of the large but fainted, but if the two waves has a large amplitude, then the amplitude is large, then the sound will be large and fainted, large and fainted. And the conditions is coming here, that if the wave has a large amplitude, then the sound will be loud, and here is the some problems here come here. So sorry for to say that if the sound is large, then the amplitude is large, then the sound will be not soft, loud. And if the sound is amplitude is small, then sound will be soft and faint. These are, and as we know that it with the help of figure we will try to understand that. Suppose that this is the line times, and here is the origin point of the, okay, 1 2 1 2 3. These are the sound. Suppose that this is the sound and here is the times, okay, sound waves, and here is the small small amplitudes. And second we will draw here a structure. Suppose that same 1 2 3 1 2 3, same frequency is same. So then it's a amplitude. Suppose that this amplitude is very high, and here is also very, and below is also, here is also, and upper is also. So large amplitude, then sound will be loud. So these are the structures. With the help of structure we can say the large amplitude, but frequency is same frequency, and the loudness and the loudness of sound can be measured. Loudness of sound can be measured in dB, that is called decibel. Okay, dB or decibels. So here is the sounds and its a character. So we will now discuss about the sounds and its a character. So now we will discuss about intensity of sound. Intensity of sound, so we will define that the amount of sound passing each second through amount of sound passing each second in per unit area. Okay, each second through a unit area called intensity of sound. It depends upon the intensity of sounds measure in watt per meter square. Okay, watt per meter squares, measure in watt per meter squares, per meter square. So it is differ from the quality of sound. Here is the loudness of sounds differ from the loudness of sound. So loudness of sounds depend upon the ears reaching capacities, distance covering, and the intensity of sounds is covering the area per second. This is the loudness. Same frequency of sounds have a different loudness and different intensity. So its measure will be different and also calculation will be different. So we had studied a lot. So I hope that you better understand it, and if you don't watch it clearly, I will show its each parts so that you can understand it well, and you will understood it one by one. So okay, bye bye, and I hope that you will subscribe my channels and try to understand that.